APHLC, I have filed nomination for the coming parliamentary election from number 6 Dipu ST constituency. We are very sorry to say that previously it was autonomous constituency. Now the word autonomous has been removed by the BJP government. We will try to get back this autonomous word, and we are also very sorry to know that and to see that Panchayat law has been promulgated in Dimahasau. We will fight to the last for regaining the 6th schedule power in Dimahasau also, and to abolish or to reject, to cancel this Panchayat law from Dimahasau, and also from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. We are appealing to our tribes people because in olden times we fought with guns and bombs and taruals, etc. But now our battle is fought during election. Vote is our AK-47, our bomb. So our tribal people, tribal brothers and sisters must vote their precious vote properly for victory of the APHLC. Otherwise, only the APHLC has been saying about protection of tribal rights, tribal land, and tribal race. So if we want to, and we want also, because all the tribal people, including Khilonjia, indigenous, Somni, Assamese, and Adivasi, we APHLC will protect all of them, and we let us. I appeal to all our people to join us together to fight this battle, this electoral battle properly, so that we will win and we will survive.
So if you are elected, so what are you going to do first?
We will first work for establishing of autonomous state under Article 244A, either separately or jointly with Dimahasau. It may be a separate one also. Dimahasau may have a separate one. We have got no objection. And then we will strengthen and restore the power that we have lost from the 6th schedule. 6th schedule power must be restored. And we will work hard to repeal, cancel CAA, UCC, and Assam Healing Prevention of Evil Practices Act 2024. This has threatened the destruction of our tribal system of worship.
Sir, what would be your short message for the public?
Our short message is that, as I have already said, in olden times we fought wars for protection of our race and our land. Now our battle is by voting correctly. The vote is our weapon. So I appeal to all the tribes people, the Khilonjia, Ohomia, and Adivasi people, and all others who want us to survive, to vote for APHLC.
नोंथांमोनहा गावबा गावनि गथ'खौ काराटेनि सासे राफोद गेलेगिरि खालामनो गोसो दं नामा? हादरसायारि, हादरारि, हादर गेजेरारि थाखोसिम गेलेग्रा खालामनो गोसो दंब्ला नोंथाङा गोबाव दा खालामसै। सासे राफोद रोंखा-राखा काराटे गेलेगिरि खालामनो थाखाय नोंथाङा जानजि खाफ्रादो आरो मुं थिसनहैदो गलामगुरि काराटे एकाडेमियाव। रोखा खौरांनि थाखाय 8720903713 मबाइल नम्बराव कन्टेक्ट खालामनो हागोन। बेबायदिनो बड' हाउस काराटे एकाडेमिनि थाखाय 6900451157, बेंटल काराटे एकाडेमिनि थाखाय 9678041226, बेरहांगाव काराटे एकाडेमिनि थाखाय 6901341656 आरो धालिगाव काराटे एकाडेमियाव मुं थिसननायनि थाखाय 8720903713 मबाइल नम्बराव खौरां लानो हागोन। मख'जाथावदि बे सोलोंसालिनिफ्राय सिगांनिफ्रायनो हादरसायारि, हादरारि, हादर गेजेरारि थाखोनि बादायलायनायाव गोबां फरायसाफोरा बान्था मोननो हाबोदों। बे मुंख'नाय फोरोंसालियाव रोंग'थि गोनां फोरोंगिरिया फोरोंथाय होनानै नोंथांनि गथ'खौ सासे राफोद काराटे गेलेगिरि सोरजिनायाव मदद आरो जाफुंसार खालामगोन। अब्ला मानोथो गोबाव खालामनो? थाबैनो नोंथांमोनहाबो नोंथांनि गथ'खौ मुं थिसनहैदो।
9, 10.